Hello kids! Today we will learn compound words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Let's understand what are compound words. When two different words are combined, a new word is formed. For example, sun, flower, sunflower. Before we start, quickly press the red subscribe button and learn amazing stuff. So without any delay, let's get started. Foot, ball, football. Again, foot, ball, football. Your turn. Very good. Horse, shoe, horseshoe. Do you know what a horseshoe is? Like how we wear shoes to protect our foot from any injury while walking. Similarly, these are horseshoes which are created to protect horse foot from any injury. Let's repeat this again. Horse, shoe, horseshoe. Your turn. Very good. See, saw, seesaw. Let's understand this. We see with our eyes, and saw is a machine which is used to cut wood. So, see, saw, seesaw. Again, see, saw, seesaw. Your turn. Very good. Fire, truck, fire truck. Again, fire, truck, fire truck. Your turn. Very good. Back, pack, backpack. Let's understand this. This is your back, and this is an action of packing clothes and keeping them in the bag. Backpack is your bag which you wear on the bag. So let's repeat this again. Back, pack, backpack. Your turn. Very good. Paint, brush, paintbrush. Let's understand this. Paint is what you use to color, and brush is a toothbrush which you use to brush your teeth. Paintbrush is a brush which is used to apply paint for a picture. So let's repeat this again. Paint, brush, paintbrush. Again, paint, brush, paintbrush. Your turn. Very good. House, boat, houseboat. Let's understand this. House is what you already know, where we stay. Boat is always used to travel in water. Now, do you know what houseboat is? Sometimes people have to travel in water for a longer distance, for example, for 2 or 3 days. In that case, they need all the amenities and all the things which are there in our house also on the boat so that they travel comfortably. So, a house is created inside a boat which has all the comfortable things so that people have a safe and happy journey while traveling in the boat. So that is what a houseboat is. Have you traveled in a houseboat anytime? Never mind, you'll travel soon. Let's repeat this again. House, boat, houseboat. Your turn. Very good. Grass, hopper, grasshopper. Let's understand this. Grass is what you already know. Hopper. Now this boy is hopping on a balloon. Do you know the action of hopping? When you jump from one place to other, that is hopping. So a grasshopper is an insect who hops in the grass. That is why the name is grasshopper. Let's repeat this again. Grass, hopper, grasshopper. Your turn. Very good. Earth, quake, earthquake. Let's understand this. Earth is the planet on which we stay, and quake, the meaning of quake is when something shakes. So earthquake is when the earth shakes, cracks are formed, and things above collapse and fall down. That is what earthquake is. This is what earthquake looks like. Dangerous, isn't it? Let's repeat this again. Earth, quake, earthquake. Your turn. Very good. Bird, house, bird house, bird house, bird house. Your turn. Very good. Look around you and identify more compound words. You did amazing today. In order to watch more such videos, subscribe. Teaching Mama loves you. Take care. Bye-bye.